Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Okay, y'all, so I have on the unit. I'm built in the lace right now, so let's take a look at that. Oh yes, perfect. Look at this, y'all. Perfect lace. It looks so good. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, y'all know that this is my favorite balayage unit. I love me a good balayage. I prefer the one that look like this. Like, I like the balayage that doesn't have any color at the top. So the blonde is placed perfectly on this unit, and this is a body wave unit, so y'all know it comes with the barrel curls for you. They make these units so easy for you guys to apply. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked. You can use the tape around your edges if you don't want to use glue. If you don't want to use spray, you don't have to. It also has the non-slip band at the back of the unit. So I would have to slick up my hairs in the back if I wanted to wear this up, but you can do it like this. Of course, you would have to, you know, brush it in the right direction and stuff like that, but it has that band back there, and that's like a non-slip band. It has the adjustable combs for you, all of the things, so we love that. So like I said, they make these units so easy for you. If you don't want to curl it, you don't have to, because they curl it for you. Look at the curls, so cute. And look at this. Like, y'all know that I love when the blonde is like barely there. This is too cute. Now I'm gonna cut this into a bob, not right now, because I want to show y'all what y'all getting from the company out the bag. We'll just brush some of the curls out. And then I'm gonna put a few curls in the front. We're gonna keep this very simple. This unit is so soft, really cute. All right, so I'm trying to think, do I want to put layers in it? Because I am, like I said, I'm gonna cut this unit into a bob. So I'm telling y'all now, so when y'all see this hair short, y'all will know that it's from Nadula Hair. And I like to curl my hair towards my face. I know a lot of people don't do that, but that's just how I like to do mine. And I'm just gonna curl this in big sections because I want the curls to look big. We're gonna just pull these curls out. Now, like I said, this hair comes barrel curled already, but me personally, I feel like you still need to curl it just a little bit because the curls do fall. So let me just curl this little piece right here. This is so cute. This is the perfect balayage. Like, I love the way that this looks. It's so cute. And if you really want your curls to stay nice and tight, then you know, pin it, let them cool. Y'all know sometimes I do it like that when I'm going to wear the unit curled. But like I said, y'all know I'm gonna do this one in a bob because I need one with a little color. But how cute is this? Super cute. Y'all gonna ask me, Sharika, where y'all get the wig? Sharika, where you get the wig? Sharika, where you get the wig? It's from Nadula Hair. The link will be in the description box below. If you guys have any questions about the unit, you can find it there. Let's try doing it up. So. Let's just see. I also like it pinned up. I think it's cute like that. I'm gonna just put I had some little clamps. I'm gonna put a claw clip back there. I'm doing something like this. And this is also really cute. And I would have to spray some hairspray on the hair, but I don't really want to do that. We love this. Look at the color. That's so good. Okay, y'all, so that is it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information in the description box below.